Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I'm probably not the first person to come up with this idea, but I started making this groove right here in the board, and I was just kind of bumping it over, and then running it along, bumping it over, running along. And I got kind of bored of that, and quite honestly, this doesn't have to be perfect, because a lot of it's going to be covered. So what I went ahead and did is I made a few grooves here, made another one here, made another one here, and then I have this set to the height and to where I need it to go to. And I'm going to show you kind of a quick way to do this. This is one of those places where I say, if you do anything I do and you hurt yourself, I'm not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing it, don't do it. I lost battery there right at the end, and I did have to come to this side to, do the last little bit here. A couple things. It's, it's bumpy and wavy. Basically, I'm just trying to carve out this section. You're not going to see this with the project I'm doing. Another thing, after I was all done, I went back to kind of clean a couple spots up, and I tipped it a little bit too much, so it gouged in here. So you got to be careful with that way. You got to be careful with this whole idea. It's, maybe not the safest way of doing it, but I've seen people use very similar techniques to do other things. So to remove a lot of wood all at once without a dado blade, I believe it is, dado stack, there's a simple way of doing it. Got it done a lot quicker and did the job I needed it to do. Yet again, you're responsible for your own safety. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.